Battery pack development timeline. When a design is confirmed and locked in, a sample lot of 33 batteries must be assembled that will be used for destructive testing, typically spanning 8 to 10 weeks to produce. The samples are then deployed to the test agency with all associated specs and technical data to begin the cert testing. This testing phase takes approximately 8 to 10 weeks to complete. An electronic draft cert will then be provided in about 8 to 10 weeks that needs to be reviewed by the customer or a customer representative and approved to then formalize the cert, adding about another week. The total lead time of this process amounts to 18 to 20 weeks.